today's video is a little different. I'm coming to you guys super excited because if you know anything about me, then you know that I love to have my cup of tea right before bedtime. It's clearly not bedtime right now, but we're gonna do this video anyway. So I'm really excited to be partnering with a company called SipsBy. They are a tea monthly subscription service company. And if you're a little confused by that, think of like Shoe Dazzle, right? You go to their website, you make a profile about yourself, telling them who you are, what you like, what you don't like, except you're doing this for tea. And what they do is every month they send you a box of, I think it's like 16 different teas, 4 different types of teas, 4 of each one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You'll see in a minute. With a little description of each one. And yeah, if you are a tea lover like me, then you are excited about this. So I just got my box in the mail today for my June tea. I'm really excited. This is how it looks. And the bag, let me just cover my address, but the bag here, it's a really small box. If you have a big mailbox like mine, it just goes right into your mailbox every month. Today is, what's today? The 23rd, but it's a Sunday, so I probably got it yesterday, the 22nd. So you can expect your box around the end of every month, it looks like. So let's open this bad boy up. I'm really excited because you guys, I love tea, but I don't really know a lot of teas like that. Like I love to have my cup every night, but I'm so uncultured when it comes to some like foods and drinks and such. So I'm really excited. It gives me a chance to like really kind of discover different teas. All right, so I just opened my box and this is what you see as soon as you just open it up. Your little SipsBy right there. And then this was on top. It says June teas. What's that say? Oh, and then it's just SipsBy.com where you can get it. All right, let's see. Oh, and it has a little, oh, that's nice. So it says made for Imani on the very top. Oh, and then it has a little blurb of each tea that I got today. On the top it says summer is nearly here, Imani. Whether you're taking iced tea to a picnic with friends or enjoying a warm cup of tea on a cool summer night, we'd love to see how your SipsBy box fits into your seasonal routine. Share a pic of your box on Instagram to enter a free month, yada yada. They trying to, you know, do the little Instagram stuff. Okay, and then it has a little blurb of each tea that I got. All right, let me just show you guys. I got these teas here and these teas here. All right, nice. I guess, I don't know, I guess based off what I filled out on my profile, this is what they sent me for this month anyway. So I'm excited to try these out. All right, so inside the box, underneath that was just a whole bunch of my teas right here. So it's 4 of each tea, it looks like. 4 little like tea bags. I don't know if they're all like tea bags for sure. I gotta see. I put on the profile, you can choose like which one you would rather, like do you rather like have a tea bag to steep or do you want the tea loose and I guess you find a way to steep it, and I don't want that. I want to steep the bag, like I want it to be in the bag. So hopefully they're all in bags. So this is another one. It's another like 3 in the box here. There's another one and another one right here. Anything else in this box? Okay, so it also has Ahmad tea. Is that like the basic tea that I got here today? I think it's one of them. Ahmad tea is this one, the English tea number 1 that I got. So they sent a little like postcard here of different types of teas that you could get. Black tea, fruit tea, green tea, what's that? Herbal infusions. And a little blurb on the back that I won't read to you guys. It's just a brief description of like who they are, I guess. So that's Ahmad tea. I would have loved a little blurb from each one, but that's all right. All right, so this is cool. I'm excited. So I don't know, which one should I try first? I have altogether 16, 4 times 4. So this will last, it's really, like if you're a tea drinker like me, it's not gonna last me the whole month. But if you're like an average tea drinker or you're just looking to try new things a few times a week, then this will last you a full month. You don't have to go out and buy other teas, which is cool. I think I'm gonna try this Jasmine Gold that I have here by Asheville Tea Company. So it's jasmine green tea, jasmine flower, and a word that I cannot pronounce, flower. This is what it looks like. All right, so it says it has some caffeine in it, so it's gonna wake me up a little bit, which is really good to know that I cannot have this at night. So, hey, okay, all right. And to let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. So I actually already have a cup of water boiled and ready to go. I just need to steep this again. Be right back. Okay, I got my water. I'm gonna put this down now because I can't do too many things at one time without burning myself. I just opened this packet up and thank the Lord it's in a little bag. Ooh, that smells so good. I love, oh God, I love that. I love that smell. I wish I had the strength, but it's hot. So let's just let that steep on in there. On down there, baby. Go on down there. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna let this steep a little bit and then I'm gonna let it cool down because I don't know about y'all, but I can't have my tea like boiling hot. I'm a child. I can't. I gotta like put an ice cube in it and all that. I'm not gonna do that though. I'm gonna be a little more adult. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit and then we're gonna taste this and see if this might be a go. I'll see you. All right, you guys, so I am back and I let this cool down for quite a while because like I said, I am a child, okay? And I need it to be a little cool before I drink it. But this is what it looks like. I can't really show y'all, to be honest, before I spill anything. I'm so used to like, this is what it looks like with my hair product. But it's a light little color here. It smells so, like earthy. Like it smells like I can smell the flowers and stuff in it. I'm excited. All right, let me be quiet. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I'm about to drink this whole cup. All right, I know that's not how you're supposed to drink tea. You're supposed to be like, was that better? All right, so let me stop before I drink the whole tea. But this is really good. I'm really excited to try the other teas out. I'm just like looking at this right now, so I'm excited. If you guys are tea lovers like me, definitely give this a try. You understand my excitement. I'll post the link in the description box on how you can get your first box started. While you're at it, use the code Imani5 so you get $5 off your first box. I'm so excited. If you guys are gonna try it out, just let me know. I'd love to hear how you guys like this. Ooh, that's really good, and I don't put any sugar in it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.